Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Conversations with Candace. I'm Candace and we're going to be conversing today. We're talking about some new hair that I got yesterday, installed it last night, and I really do like this hair. So this hair is a Lulutress 2 times curly 3B hair. The front of the packaging looks like this. And what I really like about this hair is it comes with 12 double packed bundles, I guess you can say. And they have this little rubber band on them so that when you put it in your hair and you loop it, you tighten it, it stays tightened. That means there's not going to be any excess, what is the word? Fallout whenever you comb through your hair. The hair also comes in 3C. I got the 3B and it comes in 4B as well. So when I first opened the pack, it had a little straw here that held 6 and a straw here that held 6. And so that's 12 in a pack. I used 3 packs and they were $7.99 a pack. So about $24 in all for this style. I really like this hair. Shedding was the word I was looking for, not fallout, shedding. This hair doesn't shed because this band right here holds all the hair in place once you loop it on. When I put this in my head, I also kind of fluffed it out a little bit, and it was really much faster than having to put in each individual piece like this. This has about 3 pieces in it, so it just creates like volume much faster. And so I was able to put this hair in about 30 minutes. It was really fast. It did not take me the hour and a half or 2 hours that the other hair takes because there's already so much in each bundle. So if you want to see the install, stay tuned. It was really fast, really easy, and I think that you'll like this hair. Now I know I look busted, but your girl was tired. So for every crochet style, you need small rubber bands, a latch hook, a comb of your choice. I like the rat tail so I can part. Something to moisturize your hair, and this time I am using 100% raw shea butter. It is amazing. Now let's get into this hair. I'll use the Lulutress 2 times curly 3B hair. It comes in a few different curl patterns, but I enjoyed the 3B a lot. Now while you're watching this video, you're going to see that my hair looks super duper dry. I washed my hair overnight and then I went right to sleep. I did not moisturize at all. So it is looking brittle and sad, and I know that my ends need to be trimmed, so you don't have to come into the comments telling me about that. As usual, I do a deep side part. I just like the way that looks with my face. I thought about doing a vixen part, so doing like a part in the middle and a part on the side, but I never wear that middle part. I really don't. It looks good on some people, and I feel like it doesn't look good on me. And if you're wondering what that short piece of hair is in my head, that is actually where I accidentally cut my hair when I was taking down a style a few months back. I was devastated. I was really upset, but I've gotten over it. And every time I see that piece now, I just laugh it off and I move on. Now, what I do want y'all to notice is that I am getting much better plaiting my hair. It's kind of hard to plait to the very end, so I don't really plait the ends. I just put the rubber band on it and I keep moving. If you can't plait, you can always twist. Just twist it down to the end and secure the ends with a rubber band. As usual, I got a weaving cap. It just makes for a better base when I'm putting the hair on, and then when I'm cutting the hair out, I don't accidentally cut my hair. Each pack comes with 12 bundles. There's 6 on each side, and each little bundle has like 3 or 4 sections of hair in it. So when I took it out, I knew immediately if I fluff this out, I don't have to put much hair in my head. So I left spaces in my head so that it wasn't too fluffy and I could make the most out of the 3 packs that I bought. Usually with loose hair, you have to loop it 2 or 3 times so it doesn't slide out, but this has a little band on it, so you only have to loop it once and then pull it to tighten. Right here is where I have 1 full pack in my head and I'm starting on pack number 2. Space them out because this hair does get fluffy. And here is where I have 2 packs in my head. I'm so excited just looking at this. The hair fluffs up really nicely, but not too much to where it looks fake. I mean, even though it is fake hair, it doesn't look like, synthetic hair looks. And that's it. Let me know if you try this hair. Let me know what you think about it. Until next time, y'all have a good day.